extreme makeover. Basically, guys, I got these slimes and I'm gonna give them a little makeover. I'm gonna make them look completely different. At least try. And yeah, let's go straight on into the video. What yo? Alright, guys. So first, what we're gonna do is this blue one. This one is neon blue slime. So let's open it up. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Okay, take it out. There it is. Yes. So this is pretty good as is. I don't think I need to really add any lotion or anything. At least I don't think. Maybe I do. You know, actually I am. I'm gonna add a little bit of lotion. I'm gonna see what happens because I'm planning on putting some foam beads in there and I wanted to make sure that it will stick in, so yeah. All right, I just have some Suave lotion here and I'm just gonna put a little bit of lotion just to see if it will help. Ooh, it seems like it's working already. Ooh, I think it's working. Okay, let's see. It definitely feels softer, but I'm not sure if it's like, you know, stickier. It feels more like loose and like softer, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some more lotion. If that doesn't work, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Alright guys, okay, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some food coloring. I'm gonna add some pink food coloring to try and make it purple. All right, now it kind of looks like grape, so maybe we should change it to something grape. Okay, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these big foam beads. I love them so much. I've been using them a lot, I know, but yeah. We're gonna call this like grape crunch or something. We're gonna put some holographic glitter and some iridescent glitter. Alrighty, and let's mix this up. Mix it up. Oh, it looks so cool. Okay, I'm gonna add some more foam beads because I kind of like really want it to be like a crunch. Whoa, that was a lot, guys. I want it to really be like a crunchy type deal, so yeah. And I feel like these little foam beads are like the perfect size for grape. Ah, perfect. Ta-da! There it is, guys, grape crunch. This is the first slime makeover. I think it turned out pretty good. I really like it because it kind of like looks like grapes, you know? I think it's really cool. And yeah, I don't know, I just love how it kind of like looks like grapes. Like, let me try and like, how do grapes look? I don't know. They're like two little bunches like this put together like that. Is that how a grape looks? I don't know. Yeah. All right, well, let's just continue. Let's do some ASMR with it. All right, I'm all done with this one. I think this one turned out pretty good. You guys comment down below what you think we should name it. I think we should name it like Grape Crunch or something, like, yeah, vine of grapes, I don't know. Next we're gonna do, guys, is this orange one, and I've actually done this neon orange slime before, but we're gonna try again, and we're gonna try it better because I didn't really give it that much of a makeover, but yeah, anyways, so. This is like one of my favorites. I love how it looks, the texture, the color, and that's basically it because that's really that are in this slime. Alright, so for this slime, I decided I'm gonna try and make it into a sugar scrub type deal. So first I'm gonna try to make it brown by adding blue, and this is like the only other color that you can change orange to because it's already like orange. Orange is the end color. So we're gonna add some blue and see what happens. Maybe it'll turn green, maybe it'll turn brown. If it turns green, we add more yellow. Oh wait, no. We would add more red. but it seems like it is turning pretty good brown. Is this a sugar scrub brown? It kind of is, but like I feel like it just needs to be a little bit darker. So I'm gonna add a little bit more blue, and then we'll see how that turns out. Okay, I think this is good. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add some sugar bead scrub beads. So yeah, this is basically like another version of fishbowl beads. People don't use them very much anymore, but I still have some, so we're gonna use them. Basically, they actually look like little sugar granules. I think that is a good amount. Now we add glitter. I'm gonna add these two glitters because I feel like they kind of look like spices, like cinnamon and like, you know, the other stuff. I know what stuff. I just, you know, the other stuff. I don't know. I don't know. You put like, you know, cinnamon inside the slime. I meant the sugar scrubs and stuff. They put like spices, you know, so that's what that's supposed to look like. And voila, we're done. Ooh, this actually looks so cool. Whoa. Wow, I am very proud of myself because I didn't know what I was gonna do with this orange slime because there's like literally no other color you can change orange into except brown, or if you like added a lot of food coloring, but like, yeah, orange is a very hard color to deal with. But I did it, and I'm so happy because the slime is actually really, really good, and I think it is amazing. Although I feel like maybe we should add a little bit more sugar beads. And voila, it's a sugar scrub. You just get some sugar scrub, and you just put it on your body, right? Because that's what you do with sugar scrubs. I don't know what you do with sugar scrubs, honestly. I think you like mix it on your hands. Okay, well, I think this is very, very cool. I like it a lot. I wish I had my soap, my Noel soap, so I could like scent my slime, but I have no idea where the heck it went. Like, honestly, there's a ghost, I think. I'm just kidding, guys. But yeah, here it is. I think we are all done. I like it a lot. Alright, well, I guess that is it. Let's put it back, and ta-da! Also, guys, like my challenge. You guys have to say, scream out, laffy taffy happy, and then press the like button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? Were you savage enough? Let's go back down. Alright, guys, next one is this one is Fuchsia Slime. This is one of my favorites too because the color and the texture, that's it. The color is so pretty though. It's like a very bright, vibrant, a very vibrant like pink. So I like it a lot. I have no idea what color to change it to though. I'm thinking about just adding more pink dye to it and just seeing what happens from there. Maybe it'll turn out really cool. I don't know. Maybe it'll just turn into red. Probably. I don't know. I'm getting pink food coloring all over my fingers. Probably. For sure. Okay, so it turned into this color. That's interesting. I'm liking it. All right, now I'm gonna add some of this interference pigment, blue interference blue. It's basically like white pigment, but it also has like a blue side to it. So it looks really, really cool when you add it into like different color slimes, and it is amazing. And just wait, guys, just wait until you see. It's like, it's white. It's like white from this angle, but like when you turn it to the side, it's blue, and it's crazy. I don't know if you guys can see it already. Like right here, it's kind of blue. Like over here, it's white. I don't know. I love it so much. I love pigment in general. I really like this one. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Okay, what should I add to it now, guys? Alright, guys, I'm gonna add some glitters to it. This one is a holographic glitter. It's so pretty. I love it. Oh, whoopsies there. It's like a very fine holographic. And then this one is just a pink glitter. It's very pretty. They're from Recollection, my favorite brand. Whoopsies. My gosh, the color of this slime, guys, is so pretty because of the pigment. Oh my gosh, it's getting even prettier. Wow, how is that even possible? Okay, I was planning on putting fishbowl beads in it, but I don't know because it is so gorgeous like this. I feel like this looks like mermaid blood or unicorn water or something. I don't know, unicorn blood, something, mythical blood, mythical water, you know? You know, I'm just gonna keep it like this, guys. I really love how it looks. It looks so pretty. And yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Beautiful slime. All right, guys, next we're gonna do is this crystal clear Nickelodeon slime. So I know there's not really much making over. There's like tons of making over because it's clear and it's beautiful. Like it's not even foggy clear. It's crystal clear, like they say in the title. Look at how beautiful. Like what? How? Who? Huh? Nickelodeon did. And Crazy Art. I don't know. Maybe both. Anyways, they are amazing. Anyways, so I decided I'm gonna put some blue pigment in there. This is actually pigment I got from Wish. Okay, that's nice. Yes. All right, so we're gonna add some pigment. We don't need that much. I actually added too much. All right, let's mix it up. Mix it up. Look at how beautiful. I love this pigment so much. Okay, anyways, I think we are all done. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add this holographic pigment, well not pigment, I mean glitter, again, because it is so pretty. Yes. Oh my gosh, this looks like a mermaid or something, I don't know. But it looks beautiful. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these, well actually maybe like all of these fish bowls because fish bowls, what the heck? They're not cows. Anyways, I'm gonna add all of them because it's like almost done already and you know, you just gotta finish these. Let's mix that up with that. Yes! Now it matches the cover. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful! And we are finished. Look at how gorgeous, guys. Okay, I don't know which one is my favorite now. It's your favorite. Mine would probably be this pigment with this blue pigment, and I love it so much. I thought it's let me switch, and I hope I see you this time. Bye!